There, let's go for another Fibble where every line contains I. The starting word today is tasty. Let's see what we can do with that. Oh, it can't be it, but let's almost repeat with tasty. Another word. Tasty. So this can be both true. Every repeat is true. This is true. This is true. This is true. This is true. And this is true. Hmm. Supposing this was a lie, and this would be true, then this would be a lie, and we should have two keys, which is not the case, but this could be a lie, and this is a lie as well. So there is a T, but in another position. Hmm. Something like that. Seems quite unlikely. It's much more likely that this is a lie and this is a lie as well. So we only have the A. And let's go to our quiz. Okay. Let's suppose this is a line. Let's try grace. This can't be both true, so every repeat is true. This is true. This this can't be both true as well. So this is true and this is true. And we know for sure there is an A, but we already knew that. Let's suppose this is a lie, then this would be a lie. Dance. That could work. Yeah. This is true for sure. Ah, the A is not here. That wasn't brilliant. So if this is a lie, this is true. The A is not here. The A should be here or here. Doesn't seem likely that the A would be here. So seems quite unlikely that this is true. This is a lie. Can this be a lie as well? There is a C somewhere else. That's not a word, is it? There is a cute, but I know there is no T. Accuse. Have I tried? Yeah, there is no S. seems unlikely. Maybe this is a lie, and this is a lie, and this is true, and this is a lie. Whale. That could work. It didn't. Oh, I was supposing there is no range. But could be. If this is a lie, this is a lie. Well, this is true. That we already knew. And then flake could work. So this is a lie. And this is true, this is true, this is true, and this is true. This is interesting. This is indeed a lie. This is true, this is true, this is true. This is indeed a lie, so this is true, this is indeed a lie, this is true, this is true, this is true, this is indeed a lie. So this is true. No, sorry, this is indeed a lie, and this is true, this is indeed a lie, and this is true. Blame. I'm blaming myself for not thinking of that before. Yeah, that wasn't that hard. Bye for now.